Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this problem. So here you can see it can't be opened because it is from unidentified developer. So how you can fix it? So just go to system preferences. Now just go to security and privacy. And here under this allow apps for downloaded from, you will see your apps that you downloaded from internet, and you just need to unlock here. Just write your password, and after you just allow this developer. So after you will allow access for downloading and installing this app on your computer. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.